We're beautiful.
Hello Capricorn, welcome back to Angels Light Tarot. Thank you for stopping by for your weekly general message for July 20th through July 26th. Yes. And we're going to look at you guys that are in a beautiful love relationship. Angels and guides, what is the love energy around Capricorn's beautiful romantic love relationships. Angels and guides, positive energy, please. Positive energy. Thank you for Capricorn. We have the green fairy. A cheeky green fairy on your behalf is appearing here to make you laugh. Yes, with yin and yang. You know what? You can't get any better than this. Expect a week of you guys getting along beautifully. I feel a lot of laughter with you two this week. Okay, now, when we look at the singles love, what's the angels, what is the energy around the singles love? Capricorn, what is around the singles love? Positive energy, please. Positive energy for the singles love. Thank you. We have luminosity and shake it off. I feel like this is a week that you're focusing so much on love. Shake it off. Okay, Capricorn, shake it off. There's other things that need to be done this week. Okay, so let's get into your general message for 7 little days. Angels and guides, positive energy, please. Positive energy for Capricorn for July 20th through July the 26th. What is going on? What are the energies? What are the energies for 7 days, angels? 7 days for Capricorn. Moving on to, yes, these of course are these are for the positive, yes, positive energy for, these are only upright because we want to get all the positive energy out of them that we can. Come on, angels. What's the energy around Capricorn for 7 little days? What is it, angels? Looking for some good high vibrations. Moving on to my mama's deck for Capricorn. Thank you, angels. Thank you. I so appreciate that. Yes, I do. Come on, angels. We're almost there. 2 more from my mama's deck. Just 2 more, and angels gave me 3. I'm gonna take them. Yes. Now, we need the new deck. Yes, we do. Now, it's okay, Capricorn, to take that little button. Yeah, to hurry this along. It's definitely okay. All right, so now, once again, these are only upright because we want all the positive energy that we can muster out of them. 1 more angel deck for Capricorn. Just 1 more. Come on, angels. What's up? There we go. What are the energies? What are the energies around Capricorn for Thank you. Now, let's get right into, we're going to tap this off. You know we always tap this off, Capricorn, with the hummingbird deck. You know that. I know that. Angels and guides, just a few more messages. Just a few more. Yes, and yes. And, thank you. Alrighty now, let's tidy up a bit, Capricorn, and we will get right into this. Yes. So the major theme for the week is the 3 of Swords. 3 of Swords with the intuition and the angel of transformation. King of Hearts, 7 of Hearts, the Emperor, and the overcoming difficulties with the Ace of Diamonds and the 8 of Clubs. So I feel this week is someone is ready to walk away. Yes, someone is definitely ready to walk away. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? You know with the intuition. You already know. Maybe it's you. Maybe it's someone else because this is a general reading. Now with the angel transformation, this separation, I feel like this is something that it's the way you see yourself, you won't see yourself like that very soon. Now, if this may be you, this may be someone close to you. With the King of Hearts, it's definitely about gaining someone's emotional power. With the Seven of Hearts, take a step back. Definitely take a step back. Don't try to control this person. Or if it's you, don't try to control someone else. The more you try to control, the more, you can't control it. It's just, banging your head against the wall, right? With the Emperor card, it's like focus on what is stable, overcome those difficulties. There is a new beginning on the horizon. It looks like it could be a financial new beginning, and you are definitely focused on it. It's either you or it's someone in your sphere. Now, when we look at the recent past, Capricorn, we had the 10 of Pentacles reversed with partnerships and alliances. Angel of nurturing with the 3 of Spades, the 10 of Spades with the 6 of Acorns, and spread your wings with the Queen of Diamonds and the 2 of Clubs. So I definitely feel like with the 10 of Pentacles reversed, there was abundance around you, but you knew it was there, but you didn't necessarily see it in your pocket, if that makes sense. Like it's there, it's coming, right? And this looks like this has something, this finances, this money had something to do with someone else, right? Maybe that someone else could be a parent, it could be a financial institution, an inheritance or something like that. But you knew it was there, but it just wasn't in your pocket. With the Angel of nurturing, I see that you definitely were working. This was something you were working towards, but with the 3 of Spades, it was definitely driving you a little bit crazy. But I see you being successful in it. You kept moving forward. You were definitely successful in that. You definitely took a leap of faith with the spread your wings. Queen of Diamonds, you were successful in, yes, with the 2 of Clubs, with a conversation that needed to be had. Yes, you definitely were. You were a little bit worried about it. You were definitely worried about it. But I see that you standing up and owning your power, your financial power. Yeah, I see you definitely at least had the conversation, okay? Now, when we look in the middle of the week, we have the 8 of Pentacles with the transformation. Whoa, 2 in 1 week. Oh my God. Transformation. Angel of spiritual tempest with the 5 of Clubs. Ace of Diamonds again. Oh my God. 3 of feathers. Relationship harmony. 9 of Clubs, 3 of Hearts. So I feel like in the middle of the week, you're almost there. Okay, Capricorn, you are almost there. With the transformation, you have almost begun this new you. If it's not you, it's somebody else really close to you, but someone is going through a transformation. I'm kind of feeling it is you. You at the spiritual tempest, I feel like you're kind of wavering on it. Should I? Shouldn't I? Should I? Shouldn't I? You're going to change your mind a few times, but this brand new, it's gonna happen. This new way of making money, this new way of presenting yourself to the world is going to happen. You will definitely release. You will release it's like you're gonna release. You're gonna recover. You're gonna have relationship harmony. 9 of Clubs. I see you letting go of emotional worry. I definitely feel like you're going back and forth in the middle of the week. I just have to tell you, okay? You're going back and forth. Your mind is kind of all over the place because there is something that is pushing you, forcing you to do something that it's against your grain. It's against who you are as a person. But yet the universe is still pushing you. And you're like pushing back and you're pushing and you're like, I don't want to do this. And the universe is saying, oh, no. This transformation is coming whether you like it or not, okay? All right, and then you let go of the worry. Like, okay, you throw your hands up and you go, okay, angels, take me. I got this. I got this. Whatever direction I need to go in, I will go. You know when this doesn't work and that doesn't work and this doesn't work? Right. And then all of a sudden you're like, all right, that didn't work. I tried that direction. I tried this direction. It's like the universe is closing things in to get you where you need to be. Okay? All right, so let's get to the end of the week. Capricorn, we have the Temperance card with the Solitude card and the Angel of Continuity with the Jack of Spades, the Eight of Spades, the Knight of Crystals with the Patience card and the Five of Spades with the Six of Spades. So I definitely feel by the end of the week, with the Temperance card, I see you, you're like being patient. You're really being patient. I feel like there's some time that you feel like you're all alone in this situation, and you feel like this is never going to end. I'm always going to be going down this road by myself. But with the Jack of Spades, I see that you are, you are shifting. You are changing. You are the caterpillar that's turning into the butterfly. You have all of the power that you need to move forward. You have the endurance to see this through. You also have the patience. You have the patience to make this change. This is going to be a long-lasting change, okay? Definitely, it might be a lifetime that this change. It's definitely not something that's superficial, nor is it surface. This is a lifetime change. Now, when we look at your bonus, you have the Hierophant card reversed with the Nine of Swords and Love Begins with the Angel of Beauty, the Six of Diamonds, the 10 of Clubs, the four of Hearts, 5 of Acorns with the Career Transition, 6 of Clubs and the 4 of Hearts. So I feel like the Hermit card is saying that, you had been spending a lot of time alone, but the Hermit card is saying, nah, not anymore. I'm ready to spread my wings, if you will. But you're worried about that. You're worried about trying new things, but your love will definitely begin, and that is the beauty, that it's time. It's definitely time. This new change is going to be long lasting. You will be successful in this change. You will be emotionally grounded with this. You have whatever challenge comes up in this career transition. I see that you are definitely you're feeling like this is a part of your purpose. You know what? This is a part of your purpose. And with this 4 of Hearts, I feel like it's almost like you're all of these like little valleys and okay, you got to go over that hump and you got to turn around there and you got to do this and you got to do that. But in the end, it's exactly where you were meant to be. But getting there seems a bit of a challenge. It seems a bit of chaotic, if you will. But when you land in this transformation, when you get to where you are meant to be, because this is definitely where you're meant to be. There is 2 transformations here. When you get to that place, that's when you're going to feel, oh, finally, I worked my tail off to get here, but I'm finally here. Okay, so I send you joy, namaste, and much love sent your way.